Made possible by generous grants from the W.M. Keck Foundation over 20 years ago, the mission of the Keck Observatory is to advance the frontiers of astronomy, inspiring the imagination of all. As leaders in a rapidly changing technical field, we're a laboratory for the biggest questions in science. Our discoveries will be the stuff of textbooks for generations to come. Keck Observatory offers the highest scientific productivity of any ground-based observatory. In addition to having the two largest light collection buckets on the planet, the Keck telescopes host a versatile instrumentation suite. Our strategic plan has a list of key questions to address in the coming decade. How diverse are other planetary systems? Do Earth-like worlds exist around other stars? And can we find the signatures of life on an exoplanet? What were the very first objects to light up the universe, and when did they do it? And how do black holes grow, radiate, and influence their surroundings? With these questions come a well-defined list of technologies that will give astronomers the tools they need to answer them. Our strategic ambitions are always to push the frontiers of astronomical innovation. Keck has been a leader in the field of adaptive optics, a technology that removes distortions caused by Earth's atmosphere. Keck delivers images of cosmic targets that are the best in the world, 3 to 4 times sharper than those of the Hubble Space Telescope. We are continually investing in new adaptive optics capabilities and other instrumentation that will achieve the full potential of the mighty Keck telescopes. Our partner institutions are the best in the world at what they do. Our scientists and engineers are highly motivated and skilled in operating these powerful telescopes. Many metrics demonstrate our success. We consistently rank highest in the number of science publications per telescope per year, and our discoveries generate more impact than any other ground-based observatory. We dominate in the emerging field of laser guide star adaptive optics. We also measure our success through the number of PhD theses produced using our data. Finally, another significant metric is the growing enthusiasm and support from the observatory's friends and fans. Astronomy research in general is perceived to be funded through academia. Private philanthropy, however, has been key to underwriting the world's greatest observatories, from Palomar to Lick Observatory to the W.M. Keck Observatory. It is through private philanthropy that we will continue to thrive. Ever since Galileo, astronomers have been building bigger telescopes to collect more light to be able to observe more distant objects. In theory, the larger the telescope, the more detail you can see. However, because of the blurring caused by Earth's atmosphere, a 10-inch or a 10-meter telescope can see about the same amount of detail. There are two solutions to this problem: put a telescope in space, which is very expensive, or use adaptive optics technology to cancel out the distortions of the atmosphere. Keck Observatory helped pioneer the use of adaptive optics in astronomy in the 1990s, and our current system delivers images 3 to 4 times sharper than those of the Hubble Space Telescope. One of the scientific breakthroughs that have come from Keck's adaptive optics technology is the discovery of a supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way galaxy. In addition, the very first images of planets orbiting a nearby star, HR 8799, were captured using Keck's adaptive optics. These are just a few of the significant contributions that we have made, not only to the field of science, but to humankind. The W.M. Keck Observatory is committed to education in the broadest sense of the word. We sponsor public lectures, podcasts, classroom visits, and other educational programs to connect our work. There are huge opportunities limited only by resources to engage and inspire the next generation of explorers in this golden age of astronomy. Cutting-edge applications in adaptive optics already distinguish the Keck Observatory's leadership in high angular resolution astronomy. Recognizing the enormous breakthroughs these technologies provide for the entire U.S. astronomical community, Keck Observatory has ranked as its #1 priority the development of a next-generation adaptive optics system. The system is a multi-million-dollar, multi-year initiative that will sustain our competitive advantage for years to come. This technology is bold and the science impact will be huge. It is consistent with our history of taking on big challenges and getting there first. We are explorers by nature and have been throughout the ages. With tools like the mighty Keck telescopes and adaptive optics, science discoveries open new vistas and fascinating details about the workings of the universe on scales that are virtually unimaginable. With additional resources, the Keck Observatory will continue bringing new knowledge to humanity and find innovative ways to share these discoveries.